Hey guys, it's Mini Baker. Today we're not baking, we're gonna make the newest, latest trend, slime! Except it's gonna be clear. So join me for today. I'm gonna show you how to make clear slime. Let's go! So the things you will need will be an airtight container, a spatula, any type of clear glue. I like using Element because this works the best. Some slime activator, and please excuse my boring container, okay? This is 1 teaspoon of borax dissolved with half a cup of water. And then a small bowl and a big bowl. Okay then, let's get started. Okay, so you get your glue in, and as you can see, I've already poured some. And before you do this, remember to wipe your bowl, otherwise your slime will get like a kind of yellowish tint to it. So that's the first step, and the second step is to pour in your glue. Now I'm just screwing off the cap to make it. You heard that? Okay, pour in your glue, and then I'll be right back. Now that you have added your glue, take the same glue bottle that you use for pouring in your glue and fill it up with water, with the whole bottle of water, and then you pour it in and put little by little. And then you have to mix it in until like everything is nicely mixed. If you don't do this, your slime will kind of, if you put too less, your slime will be quite, it won't let the air bubbles burst. And if you put too much, your slime is just gonna break and it won't be fun to play with. So just put the right amount. I put about, the full bottle. So you just keep adding it, and then the next step will be to activate our slime. Okay, so here it is. It'll kind of look like this. It'll be like water, but actually it's glue. So you get your activator, and I transferred mine to the glue bottle, and it's actually good because I'm recycling the glue bottle I've just used. So what you're gonna do is pour it very slowly into your slime and mix it really slowly too. As you can see, the lumps are forming. Now do this until almost all the slime has formed lumps. Hey guys, I'm so sorry, my other hand is dirty. By taking out all the lumps from the mix. Now what you're gonna do is, when only this much of water is left, you're gonna just put that water into our clear slime and just work it in and knead it in your small bowl. Okay guys, so here's my slime, and it's pretty much almost ready. And I put it in my airtight container because it might dry out. So I don't want to touch it, otherwise it will make more air bubbles. So as you can see, it's all kind of going. So I'll see you after about 1.5 weeks. Okay guys, it's been half of a week, and this still it's quite blur. Well, you can see my hand, and the air bubbles have gone, as you can see. Air bubbles, but it's so blur. And guys, I didn't wipe the bowl properly purposely, just to show you guys how it'll look. See, it's kind of yellowish. It's not that yellowish, but it's still yellowish. So to Hey, I made the slime on Sunday, and today is Tuesday. So, yeah, I think I'll just wait another week for this, and then I'll see what I can do. Ew, the camera lens touched this. There. Okay, guys, I don't want to keep it original, but I just wanted to spice it up, so I added some sequins. Yup, I know, right? Some of it has actually sunk in. Yeah, so some of it has actually sunk in. So you can see like that. Let me open, and it's really nice. It changes colors, like this nice hot pink. Look at how jiggly my slime is. Okay guys, my slime looks amazing. And okay, I'm sorry, please excuse my talking because I'm wearing these. Okay, so I can't talk properly. I can't eat with it. Okay, and I hate them because they make lots of bruises in my mouth and it's irritating. Anyways, back to the video. So some of it has actually sunk in, as you can see, like that. Yeah, I think most of it has sunk in. And now it doesn't have a yellow tint to it, it has a pink tint to it. I just hope this gets non-blurry by the end of the week on Sunday. Otherwise I'll be quite pissed off, and I'll show you how it looks inside. Yep, can you see those legs are right there? Yep. Sequence that's sunken in. Looks pretty, huh? Okay guys, I'll see you on Sunday. Okay guys, I think my slime is done. Because as you can see, it's not become crystal clear. But yeah, it's pretty clear actually. You can see my hand, it's a bit blur, but it looks awesome. As you can see, there's like sequins there. So yeah, just post in the comments if I should have kept this for a longer time, because I think that's it, because all the air bubbles have gone and all the sequins have sunk in. So yeah, I think it's done. So let me show you how it is. Okay, I just cannot resist touching this. So here is a little ASMR for you. I'm gonna show. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Just post in the comments whether on the scale of 10 how satisfying it is. And as you can see, air bubbles have again formed because I played with it. But don't worry, don't think you've done something wrong, because this will happen. But what you have to do is again wait for about 2 to 3 hours, or 1 day, or 1 week, you know. Yeah, I know, that's why slime is pretty, clear slime is pretty annoying. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just tell in the comments how you felt the slime was, and I think it was pretty nice. Yeah, I like it a lot. It's so jiggly. Yeah, you can hear that. And it's super duper stretchy. Okay, not super duper, but that's what I hate about clear slime. It's not that stretchy unless you get it like perfect. And yeah. And of course, after you play with it, there'll be lots of air bubbles and you'll have to repeat the process again. That's a few of the reasons why I hate clear slime. But otherwise, I think it's pretty awesome, you know. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video again, and please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.